Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will answer again or solve another machine problem that is being sent to us by one of our subscribers. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all the viewers, supporters of my channel. If we are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. One of my subscribers here in the Philippines sent me this problem for summative assessment 2. Complete the given code to produce the output like this: record of student, ID, name, grade. ID 1 Ronel 86.5, ID 2 Lance 90.5, ID 30 Bianca 81.5. So when we are assessing this kind of machine problem, we immediately concluded that we will be using struct or structure in C++. So we have here line 1 in 12, 11 and 12. Line 11, I use stream for input output, routine in C++, C string, header file, sharp include is a library file for string manipulation. No, using namespace std struct student. We have here, we can consider this student as an object, and then we have different data types inside. So records, ID, integer, car name, which has a size of 30 characters, float in percentage. OStream operator, os constant name, it will a method function here to return the ID, name, and percentage. So int main I struct student record 3. So record 0 will be ID 1 Ronel percentage 86.5. Student 2 we have Lance 90.5, and then student 3 we have Bianca, which has a percentage of 81.5. So we have here the title, student records in C++, and then using header here, and then for loop statement, we retrieve the records and close. Now return 0, return to our operating system. Okay, so I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code. So let us compile and run to see the output. Okay, so we have your student records in C++, records of student, ID, name, grade 1 Ronel 86.5, Lance, ID 2 Lance 90.5, ID 3 Bianca 81.5. So that's it. No, we were able to solve another requested machine problem by one of our subscribers here in the Philippines. So student records in C++. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code. Thank you so much for supporting, for watching to my videos, no, for liking. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.